Good morning student. Today I will explain you exercise 16, data handling. First of all, we know what is data. Data is a set of information that we collect from many places. The data we collect initially, that is called raw data, and it is not categorized in a special category. So first of all, we categorize the given data in some categories like height or some capacity or some weight, etc. So the data which we collect initially, that is called raw data or primary data. Primary data is also called the raw data, and when we categorized it or placed it with some observation, then this is called secondary data. In simply, when we organize the data, that is called secondary data. In the collection of data, first of all, we take the data with the observation, some observation. When we observe some things from many places in our neighborhood or from anywhere, that is called raw data. And when we arrange it in ascending or descending order, that is called arrayed data. That means arrayed data is when we arrange the data in ascending or descending order, that is called arrayed data. And arranging the numerical figure of the data in ascending or descending order is called in an array. And thereafter, what is range? Range is the difference of maximum and minimum value of the observation. Difference of maximum and minimum observation of the data, that is called range. So range equal to maximum observation minus minimum observation. Ungrouped data and grouped data and frequency. Ungrouped data, when we write the data given as it is without grouping it, but when we grouped it in some values like height, here height is given and we grouped height 135 centimeter, 36 centimeter, 80, 138 and so on. In the given data, 135 is repeated for 2 times. So this is the frequency of 135 and this is the tally marks of that given particular data. 136 is repeated for 4 times, so it is written as 4 line, and 130 is repeated for 3 times, so it is right 3 line. 139 2 times, 2 line. But when we write, when we have 5 or more than 5, so 140 have 5 frequency, so we write 4 line and cross it like that from up to down and right to left, so it is counted 5. So on, we write the tally marks of that, and these are the frequency. Frequency means how many times any observation is repeated. How many times any observation is repeated, that is the frequency. So this is called the frequency distribution table, and with the help of these frequency distribution tables, we grouped any type of data in the observation and their frequency. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.